In this video, we've put together 5 of the best DisplayPort cables available on the market. Watch on to discover what each has to offer, how they differ, and which one will suit your needs most closely. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Etseinri 8K DisplayPort Cable. 32.4 Gbps bandwidth, 50% increase over DP 1.2 cables. Resolution up to 8K, 7680 x 4320 at 60 Hz refresh rate. What's more, DisplayPort Cable can deliver high dynamic range, HDR, video, and support stereoscopic 3D video, multi-stream transport, MST, high bandwidth digital content protection, HDCP 2.2, display stream compression version 1.4, DSC, forward error correction, FEC, G-Sync, showing more details and realistic in pictures. Designed with 30 AWG tinned copper, triple shieldings, aluminum case, 24K gold-plated connectors, and the corrosion-resistant tinplate effectively protect the circuit board and chip from signal interference. Improved strain relief with stands being plugged. Number 2. Capshi VESA certified 8K DisplayPort Cable. Compared to 4K DP cables, 8K DisplayPort 1.4 can provide higher bandwidth. HBR3 supports 32.4 Gbps of bandwidth. Display stream compression, DSC, supports both high refresh rate and high resolution. Maximize the performance of your graphics card and monitor. Dynamic HDR can optimize the game's dark picture and enhance the details, especially in FPS and 3A masterpieces. This is the only DisplayPort cable you'll need for the next 10 years. Capshi DisplayPort Cable 1. Is the first to use non-locking buckle design to avoid damaging your equipment when pulling out monitors and graphics cards. Our DisplayPort 1.4 cable is made of 28 AWG tinned copper and features triple shielding to ensure stable signal transmission. No worry about artifacts and audio and video synchronization problems. Number 3. Maxonar 8K DisplayPort Cable. High-end resolutions 8K DisplayPort 1.4 feature support for high bandwidth HBR3, 32.4 Gbps bandwidth, DSC 1.2 display stream compression and HDR10. Resolution up to 7680 x 4320. Refresh rate up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 144 Hz, 2K at 165 Hz Ultra HD video streaming. Shielded DisplayPort Cable 1.4 is best for your gaming screen, making your world clearer and more real, translating a smoother and nicer gameplay. Our DisplayPort 1. For cable made of 28 AWG tinned copper with triple layer shielding to transfer stable video and audio signals. Quality nylon braided jacket with 30,000 plus bend lifespan provides you with a heavy-duty DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable. For the benefits of our customers, we provide the lifetime warranty for customers. Number 4. iVANKY 8K DisplayPort Cable. High specification of DisplayPort technology. High refresh rate of 4K at 144 Hz, 2K at 240 Hz allows you clearly perceive the movement of enemy with no frame drop. Maximize the performance of your graphics card and monitor to allows you clearly perceive the movement of enemy, no motion blur, screen tearing or flickering. HBR3 rated, supports up to 32.4 Gbps bandwidth, display stream compression 1.2, DSC, FEC forward error correction and maximum 32 audio channels. iVANKY 8K DisplayPort 1. Number 5. KabelDirekt DisplayPort Cable. Multi-layer metal shielding in the connector and additional sheathing of the copper conductors for optimum interference protection. Frequencies of up to 144 Hz, 165 Hz, or even 240 Hz at 1440p, HDR10 video and 7.1 surround sound audio signals. As an official VESA member, we've manufactured and tested this cable to VESA specifications. Pin 20 isn't connected to prevent damage due to short circuits. And with their locking mechanism, the rock-solid connectors deliver a rock-solid connection. 36-month manufacturer's warranty for total peace of mind. Your statutory rights are not affected.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.